Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Well, today is Vlogmas Day 10. To my old subscribers, thank you for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. Let's get into this video. Come on. We're making bath truffles again. So our featured soap today is Mother Earth. Mother Earth essential oils are made with eucalyptus and rosemary, along with coconut milk. The ingredients in the back is organic coconut oil, distilled water, organic shea butter, extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, organic mango butter, organic avocado, and organic aloe vera juice, coconut milk, soybean oil, organic cocoa butter, and vitamin E oil. Mother Earth. You know, I call Mother Earth my healing oils. Eucalyptus and rosemary. Mother Earth. This ball weighs 4.4 ounces. Mother Earth. All right. You see I have my gloves on. So we are making heavenly lavender. That means heavenly lavender is going to be made with Lavender Essential Oil. So let me bring you down, okay? So you could see. I don't need you to see my face. I need you to see what am I doing? What's going on down here. There you go. Okay, let me move everything over. Get things out the way. So the only thing we have here is important. We have our baking soda and citric acid. We have our butters, which is shea butter, cocoa butter, and mango butter melted. And in here, we have organic rose petals. And what we are going to do, and we're also going to use purple mica color, okay? Because we're making heavenly lavender. So what we're doing is just pinching, just putting a little bit at the bottom of rose petals. Just to fill the bottom of this mold. Oh, let me show you the mold that we're using. I'm sorry. See that? It's like a little cupcake bottom mold, your cone. So that's what we're going to use, okay? My bath truffles are usually 2 ounces, 1.5 to 2 ounces, okay? And that's all we're doing is just adding a few rose petals, organic rose petals in the bottom of our silicone mold here. If you like to see some of the reviews on any of my artisan soaps or skincare treats, go over to my Etsy shop, Glennceria Loving Hand. Take the S off of hands and read some of the reviews. Once again, I give a shout out to one of my loyal customers, Playing Outside. She loves these bath truffles. Go see what she has to say about them on my Etsy review shop, okay? I'm pretty sure she's getting ready to order more. Guaranteed. I don't know if you're watching. I need to send emails to my customers and let them know that I have a YouTube channel now. Because I'm pretty sure they might not know that. All right, so see, let me lift it up so you can see. They all there, nice at the bottom. You see that? All right, so let's move this over to the side here. Let me give you the quote of the day so I don't forget. The quote of today is, "May my love and light fill your home and heart." Let me say that again. May my love and light fill your home and heart. Okay? That's the quote of today. See? Rose petals. Finish with that. So you want to take the lumps and bumps and all of these lumps out. You know, you want a smooth bath truffle. Remember, bath truffles have a lot of oils in them. So be careful that you don't slip getting in and out of the tub. They're also good for pedicures, soaking your feet with them, giving your feet a nice spa day. Take them to the salon with you if you like. Use them on your nails. Very nice. Very nice. They're nice to give away as gifts as well. But make sure you keep some for yourself. Treat your husband, your boyfriends, your girlfriends, whoever, with them, you know. Think about that special someone in your life. Okay, so we have that. We have Heavenly Lavender. Smells so good. All right. Just pour it in. Pour it in. And then we're going to get around that bowl. I'm going to stir it. And you know what we got to add, right? We have to add our color. And what we want is a little light lavender to just say that we know that it's Heavenly Lavender. So, of course, I have my trusty popsicle stick once again. And I'm digging in here, trying to get some out. That's probably too much. Remember, like I said, I don't want to use too much. All right. All right, so what we're going to do now is just pour it into our little silicone mold and into each cavity. That's what. Make sure that it has contact with the embeds, the petals that you have, the organic rose petals at the bottom. Okay. Just gonna take your time and just fill them up. As you pressing down, very soft, very soft. And it smells so good. I'm telling you, it smells really good. Really good. Are y'all going to try these, or you're just gonna try them, the ones that I make, and post them in my shop? I'm working on something special, guys. I won't tell you about it, but I am working on something special. I'll tell you about it when it comes closer to the time, okay? Something that's nice. I'm always thinking about you guys. I am. Like I say, when I'm not here, I'm creating content for y'all. I work every day. I don't have any days off, which I like. I love doing it. We're trying to get to 100 subscribers so we can go to our 1,000 subscriber count, guys. Help me get there so I can do some giveaways. I have a lot of things I want to do with this channel. I can't do it without you. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends. Hit that notification bell. How do you like Vlogmas so far? This is my first year doing Vlogmas. How am I doing? Comment down below. Give me a comment down below. How am I doing with Vlogmas? Am I doing okay? I hope I am. I hope I'm doing A-okay. I want to make sure that I have some for every cavity. All right. I want all of that goodness, and it smells so good. Well, you know, everybody loves lavender. Well, some people I know don't like it. But, you know, it's the universal scent. Everybody, you know, I believe it's the top scent in the whole entire world. #1 scent is lavender. You know? Make sure you press down. If some are smaller than the others, those are cool because I can give those away as samples. I don't mind that. Or just move it into one. There you go. All right, I won't bore you. I'll be right back, okay? I'll be right back once they're all completed and done. Okay. So here they are. We're done. Heavenly Lavender Bath Truffles. Luxurious, moisturizing, Heavenly Lavender Bath Truffles. They smell so good. Let me bring you up so you can see me. Sorry for the shake. All right, guys, we're done. Okay? Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, we are going to let these sit, get hard for at least 24 hours, okay? Heavenly Lavender, Luxurious Moisturizing Bath Truffles. All right? Love you. Mwah! From Glennceria Loving Hands. Happy Vlogmas Day 10, and I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Happy Vlogmas. Love you guys. Bye for now.